Good afternoon, folks. This is Greg with Southern Star Roofing. I'm out here on a house in Lincolnton, North Carolina, and the customer called in a roof leaks, and so I'm out here checking it out. So I got up here on the roof and found a few things that I'd like to show you. So the first thing is they installed ridge vent on the house, but they did not put no shingles on it. So here's the first item. The first item is right here, the ridge vent. Someone installed ridge vent on the house, but they did not install the shingles that go over the ridge vent. So that definitely is going to create a leak. And it looks like they've had a previous repair done here. I guess someone came in here and put some shingles on and replaced the plywood deck, but when they replaced the plywood deck, they did not put no felt paper. So they just put the shingles right over the plywood. So that is definitely going to leak on a 3-tab shingle, because that's what holds your water out. And another item I found here is they're having a leak in their bathroom, and here's the plumbing vent that comes out of the bathroom, but the pipe is basically raising, and so it's allowing water to go in around where the nails go in. So there's a few items here that need to be addressed. This is a really low sloped house, but just wanted to show you items. So if you'd like us to come out and give you a free inspection, or if you're having any leaks, feel free to give us a call at 704-YES-ROOF. And we have 3 different locations: Charlotte, Asheville, and Greenville, South Carolina. And you can email us at www.southernstarroofing.com. Have a great day.